up, guys? Gamer Bro 630 back with the series Let's Go Hunting on Far Cry 3, and today I'll be hunting a Cassowary or whatever, some kind of bird. So let's do this. I'm gonna start hunting with a bow so I can actually give the animals a chance. On my last two Let's Go Hunting, I was using a sniper rifle, but from now on I'm gonna start using a bow. Speed bump. Why is it every time I try and go hunting, these guys always show up? Okay, those birds should be around here somewhere. Okay, now if there's no more interference. But there we go, there they are. Or there's some of them. And there's another one. Two more, three more. That one just stood there and took it. Alright guys, that's it for this video, and this is also how you get that cassowary leather. Thanks for watching, guys. Remember to rate, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Gamer Bros out.